This is a beautiful custom 4-bedroom/3.5 bath all-brick home tucked away in a quiet cul-de-sac on a pond lot within the gated community of Covington Lake East. This home has so many upgrades throughout you might want to go ahead and start a list. With a very open and functional split-bedroom floor plan that has been proven perfect for entertaining, a gourmet kitchen with stainless steel appliances, under-mounted sink, granite countertops, tiled backsplash, 42 inches maple raised panel cabinets, soft close drawers, breakfast bar and nook, island with additional seating and a 10x7 pantry. The formal dining room has a bay window, double tray ceiling, double crown molding, chair rail, and upgraded light fixture. Master bedroom features a double tray ceiling, crown molding, his entered closets and a beautiful master bathroom with separate vanities, jacuzzi tub, and large custom tiled shower. The family room has a gas fireplace, recessed lighting, and crown molding. The large fourth bedroom bonus second master is upstairs with a walk-in closet and full bathroom. The Carolina room is off of the family room and leads outside to the covered porch and breathtaking views of the pond. Other upgrades include oversized rooms, wide plank cherry hardwood flooring, ceramic tile in all of the wet areas, bronze fixtures, plantation shutters, fenced backyard, irrigation system, and a tankless hot water heater. Covington Lake East is conveniently located near award-winning schools, shopping, restaurants, entertainment,